Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today's video is going to be the intro for my Project Polish 2018. If this makeup looks familiar, it's because I'm filming it on the same day as my Project Polish finale for last year. I'm really excited to jump on into this. So I do have two polishes that rolled over from last year to this year. I do want to finish them up because I like them enough to continue working on them. And then I have a few more things that I'm adding in. I'm still going to keep it sort of the same format where I have 5 polishes going at any time. I might update maybe every 6 to 8 weeks. I'm not exactly sure how the schedule is going to work. I just know that I don't like doing monthly updates because I only paint my nails maybe 5 times in a month, maybe 6. So you just don't see that amount of progress from month to month, and it just seems very tedious to me. So maybe every 6 weeks, maybe every 2 months, I'm not exactly sure, but stay tuned for those updates, and I guess I'll figure it out as I go. I have about 17 polishes in my collection that are not cruelty-free, and I've done a lot of decluttering this year, or last year, and that's how many I have left. And I think that I really want to focus on my non-cruelty-free polishes. I'm still going to have some other things that I just want to work through that may be cruelty-free, that are just older and I want to work through, but I do want to focus on more of my non-cruelty-free polishes that I like enough to pan. So that being said, we are going to start off with my swatch wheel. We have 5 nice little swatches. I do have a little blob from this gray one that ended up on the red because I'm really good at doing things. Super talented, y'all. But this is where I'm starting with. It's a very me selection of colors, I think, except for this hot pink. It's not really me, but I gravitate towards dark colors. I love reds. I have so many reds. I love purples. I love grays. I love blacks. So I think that this is going to be a great start to the year. Let's go, I guess, in order of how I have them on the wheel here. So this is the first one that I'm rolling over from last year. This is Cult/Commerce in the shade Spell On, and I have my markings here from the 2017 Project Polish. This bottom line is where I'm at, so I'm about halfway through, and I think that I can really get through this pretty quickly. It's kind of a small bottle. Then we have the Ulta Beauty polish. It's mini in Peppermint, and so this is that hot pink color that I have here. So I also still have the markings from last year, and I am all the way down here. I think that I can work through this pretty quickly and rotate it out because it is a small bottle. The next one is this really nice rich red color here. This is from Revlon. It's one of the Colorstay polishes in the shade Velvet Rope, and this is just gorgeous. I do have some progress on this already because I really like reds. So I am at this line right here. This has 0.4 fluid ounces in it, so a little bit smaller than your standard nail polish bottle, and since I love red, I don't see that this is going to be an issue to work through. The next one is this dark gray color from Hansen. It's Hard as Nails Extreme Wear in the shade Gray Area, so that's this one here. And I do have some work on this one as well, so it's a little bit below where the bottle curves, and this has 0.4 ounces in it as well, so a little bit smaller than your standard nail polish bottle. And I really like grays. I especially like these cream colors like this to layer with glitter on top, so I think that I can have a lot of fun playing with all of my different nail polishes on top of that color. And then finally is this one here, which almost looks like a textured polish when it's swatched and when it's worn. This is from Sephora by OPI, and this is in the shade If You've Got It, Haunt It. I bought this, I think at TJ Maxx or Marshall's for like $3 or $4. I love the color. I love the name of it. It's super Halloween-y, and I live for Halloween. So this is a dark like charcoal gray like jelly with these silver and multicolor glitters in it. It's beautiful. I really enjoy it, and you can see how much I've loved it by how far down it is. We are right about here. Hopefully you can see that line. You know, I don't have a viewfinder, so it's hard to see if you're seeing what I'm seeing, but I'm about I don't know, almost halfway through this already, and I really do like this polish. So those are the first 5 that I'm working on for my project polish of 2018. Let me know what you think. If you're doing this project, let me know, because I would love to see what you're working on and how well you get through your polishes. Anyway, that is it from me. Thank you so much for being here. Give my video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you aren't already so that we can stay in touch. And hopefully I will catch all of you in my next video. Bye guys.